So this is the IsatDock2 PRO. Inside the box you have the docking station. So this docking station, you have the adapter here, and you have a spare adapter as well. Power supply, an ISD951, a DC cable, a spare cup covers, quick start guide, the user manual, and the locking screw. Okay, now we'll show you how to dock the IsatPhone 2 into the IsatDock2 PRO. Okay, firstly, prepare the IsatPhone 2. You need to flip this USB or bottom cover the opposite way, like that, and turn the handset. The antenna and the GPS connectors are covered, so you need to flip this cover up and turn it and push it down to set it. Now you have this handset ready. Next is to get the adapter from the IsatDock2 PRO. Just need to pull it out. So this is your USB and 3.5mm adapter. Now this goes in to the bottom of the IsatPhone 2. So it only goes one way. Okay, so gently align and push in. It should be like that. Your docking station is ready to take this handset in. So all you need to do is, with this open and that in place, slide the handset down. Okay, there should be no resistance. And slowly push this handset into the dock. Make sure there's no resistance as well until you hear a click. Now when you hear that click, that means the handset is secure in place into the docking station. So that's how it looks like in front, and this is how it looks like on its side. Okay, that, and that way. Okay, so to show you how to undock this, let me turn it on its side and then just push this eject button. And there you go, that's undocked. Then you can just take the handset out. Okay, again, I'll put it back in. Gently push this down and you should hear a click. And that's how you dock and undock an IsatDock2 PRO. This time we will show you how to connect the accessories for the IsatDock2 PRO. The main accessory for this is the POTS phone, and of course to power the IsatDock2 PRO you either have, you can use the ISD951, which is an AC plug pack, or direct to a DC source, which is we provide this cable. Now to open the axis, you need to turn the docking station, loosen the screws, 4 screws here. one leg here, you need to remove that to completely remove the back cover. For this example, we will just use the ISD951. We'll only go one way. So if it doesn't fit, don't force it. Check that you have the right orientation. So you should hear a gentle click when that goes in properly. Next, you can connect the POTS interface. So this is an RJ11 connector, which can only go into one port in the IsatDock2 PRO. Gently push, and then if you hear a click, then it's in. Okay, that's how it looks there. Now, you might ask how this connects to the antenna. You only have two external connections for the antenna. The TNC connection, the silver one, it's for the satellite antenna cable. And the gold one, smaller one, which is an SMA connector, it's for the GPS. So that's how you connect your accessories and power supply. Now you can choose to put this cover back. If you want to add to have some additional IP protection, you can screw that back in. Okay, now we'll show you how to power on the put power into the IsatDock2 PRO. Okay, now flip this docking station on its back. All right, and what I did is already remove the back mounting bracket and the cover. And now what you need to do is to connect the antenna cables first. Okay, always connect the antenna cables before you put power. Next thing you need to do with the provided power supply, make sure it's plugged in the other end, and fit this connector into the power connector on your docking station. Once you've plugged it in, turn your docking station facing up. Now you can see that the status LED is lit white, okay, or bluish white. Next thing you need to do is to dock your handset into the IsatDock2 PRO. Make sure that this bottom cover is open. The back cover is also open. Take this adapter off. Push it in the handset. And now slide that handset into the docking station and gently push it down. There you go. And now we'll just have to wait until the phone registers to the satellite network. Now the status LED is green. That means the phone has completely registered to the Inmarsat network. So that's how you power on an IsatDock2 PRO with IsatPhone 2.